Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. New series, we're going to be painting some motorcycle parts. So what we're going to do for this one is we got to scuff this up since this is a plastic material. You can't just paint over this, or you can't just primer over it because it won't stick. So you'll have to scuff it up so it'll stick, and then you'll be applying some plastic adhesion promoter by Dupli-Color. And then once you spray this on, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes and put another coat on, and then wait for about 30 minutes, and then you can use your primer or primer filler. We'll fill in some of these scratches and cracks. So just get your wet sandpaper. You want to start off with 320 grit wet sand. Just kind of scuff it up. And this is going to help the plastic adhesion promoter stick a lot better, and it will also help your paint stick. So wherever your paint's gonna stick, make sure you get inside the cracks, around all the edges, because you will get some peelage. You don't have to scratch too hard. You're just basically scuffing it up. You don't want to leave too many deep scratch marks. So we're going to be painting this same color as the car, which is a candy color. It's going to be an anodized chrome red. A little similar to a candy apple, but not really. Just give it a quick wipe down, and you can kind of feel the difference. Maybe even see the difference. This is really smooth right here, and then right here you can see it's starting to fade away. So this right here is rough, so your promoter is definitely going to stick on that. Alright, so this is probably going to be, I don't know, 4 or 5 part video. We're going to start with the prep, and then we'll get on to paint, so stay tuned.